Good morning, first grade. Today is lesson 87 for phonics. We are going to start with the review, and we are going to use our alphabet accent cards. And so remember that when a letter is accented, it is usually louder, longer, and higher. And so for the first card, if I showed you this, you would say A, just in a regular voice. And the next letter is accented because it has this marking. And so after A is B, but we wouldn't say it just regular. We would say it louder, longer, and higher. So it'd sound like B, little more enthusiasm. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a little movement in. And so when I show you the card, you're going to say the first unaccented letter, just regular. The second one, a little bit louder. So we're going to actually stand for the accented. So it shows that it's a little bit stronger. So this card would be A, B. So let's continue. I'll let you stand and I'll just sit. B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G. Make sure you're saying those letters a little bit higher and louder. G, H, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z. Very good job practicing your accented letters. And so today we are going to talk about EA again, the digraph EA, but spelled a little bit differently and sounding a little bit differently. So first, echo these words and listen for the sound in the medial position. Speak, heat, leak. What sound do you hear in the medial position of speak, heat, leak? E, very good. So look at these words in the first column. Speak, heat, leak. Digraph EA is making the E sound. And so how should we code the digraph EA? Well, we underline digraphs. So digraph EA, digraph EA, digraph EA. And this is like we talked about yesterday. In these words, EA is saying E. So the E is making the long sound. So we'll put a macron above the E and we cross out the A because it is silent. Okay. Heat, leak. So in this digraph, the first vowel is long, the second vowel is silent. So let's talk about another sound for digraph EA. Echo these words and listen for the sound in the medial position, in the middle again. Bread, sweat, head. What sound do you hear in the middle of bread, sweat, head? We hear this time. So again, E-A is making the eh sound. It is a vowel digraph still, so we're going to underline the digraph. But this time we're not going to put a macron because we don't have the E sound. We have the short sound, which is eh. So we're going to put a brevy over the E so that it says eh, and we still do not hear the A. So when digraph EA is saying eh, we'll underline it, put a brevy above the E, cross out the A. So again, in this word, sweat, we hear eh, so brevy above the E, cross out the A. And the same with head. We hear the eh sound. Okay. So we know that digraph EA can say E, like in this column, or it can say eh, like in this column. Digraph EA also makes one more sound. So echo these words and listen for the sound that's the same in each word. Break, steak, great. What sound do you hear in break, steak, great? This time it's the A sound. So EA again is saying A. So digraph EA needs underlined like always. But this time the E is silent because we hear the A sound. So we're putting a macron above the A and crossing out the E. So this word is saying break. In this word, the macron goes above the A, the E is crossed out. So this says steak. And for the last word, the macron goes above the A, cross out the E. This word is great. So there are three sounds for digraph EA. E, and A. Digraph EA is always a vowel digraph though, because it is made of two vowels, E and A. So let's look at the picture cards for today. I have a picture that shows digraph EA with the eh sound. So let's see if you can guess. This is a very thin cord that comes on a spool and is used for sewing. You loop it through a needle's eye to make stitches. Do you know what it is? Thread. When you see this card, say thread, eh. The keyword thread helps us remember the eh sound spelled with digraph EA. So I also have a picture card for digraph EA with the sound A. So let's see if you can guess what's on the card. This is a thick piece of meat. In the summertime, people like to cook it on the grill. What do you think it is? Steak. When you see this card, say steak, A. The keyword steak helps us remember the A sound, spelled with digraph EA. So as a review, there are three sounds for digraph EA. E, and A. All right, now you can join me for today's worksheet.